Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Question number 13. In the figure ABCD is a regular pentagon. Pentagon means that the polygon with 5 sides. So ABCD is a regular polygon, or regular polygon means that all the sides are equal. So it means that this side is equals to this side is equals to this side, and this side is equals to this side. मैंने ड्रॉ करते हुए बराबर नहीं बनाई, देखने में बराबर नहीं है, लेकिन ये रेगुलर पेंटागन है. इट मीन्स डैट पाँचों साइड इसकी बराबर होंगी. मैंने बनाने में थोड़ा इस तरह मिस्टेक कर दिया, जिससे ये दिखने में पांचों साइड बराबर नहीं लग रही, लेकिन ये पांचों साइड बराबर हैं, क्योंकि जो गिवन पेंटागन है वो आपके पास जो है रेगुलर पेंटागन है. सेकेंडली ए बी पी क्यू आर एस इज़ अ रेगुलर हेक्सागन. अब ये एक रेगुलर हेक्सागन गिवन है. दिस इज़ अ रेगुलर हेक्सागन. इट मीन्स दैट रेगुलर हेक्सागन मीन्स दैट the given polygon having the 6 sides and all the sides are equal. So it means that this side is also of a pentagon and also of a hexagon, and this side of the pentagon and this side of the hexagon are equal. It means that it is a regular hexagon. So this side is equal to this side, this side is equal to this side, this side is equal to this side, this side and this side, all the sides are equal, and this side is of pentagon and hexagon, and this side are equal. It means that all the sides of pentagon and hexagon are all are equal. All the sides of pentagon and hexagon, all the sides are equal, because this sides of is also a pentagon and also of hexagon, and all the sides are equal of a pentagon and also of equal of hexagon. It means that all the sides of pentagon and hexagon are equal to each other. Secondly, X is the center of the hexagon. There are some parts, 6 parts we have to find. So starting from the first one, in the first part we have to find ABP. In the figure A, B and P, ABP is the interior angle of a regular hexagon. ABP, we have to find this one. So ABP is a regular hexagon. So each interior angle, ABP is a regular ABP is an interior angle of of regular hexagon. So each interior angle of hexagon is 6 minus 2 multiplied by 180 divided by 6. So 6 minus 2, 4 multiplied by 180 divided by 6. So it is 122 degree. So each interior angle of a regular hexagon is equals to 122 degree. So ABP is an interior angle of a regular hexagon, so it is also equal to 122 degree. So it means that in the figure ABP, this is 122 degree, 120 degree, this is also 120 degree, this complete is also 122 degree, this complete is also 122 degree, this complete is also 122 degree, and this complete is also 120 degree. All the angles 1 2 3 4 5 6 all are 120 degree. So ABP is equals to 120 degree. In the second part we have to find PQX. This is the half angle of interior angle. So it means that PQX, in the second we have to find PQX. PQX is the half of interior angle so PQX will be equal to 120 divided by 2. PQX will be equal to 60 degree. In the third, we have to find AXB. In the third, we have to find AXB. AXB. This angle is a part of this triangle. So to find AXB, we have to consider ABX triangle. So considering triangle ABX, in this triangle each angle of triangle will be equal to 3 minus 2 multiplied by 180 degree. This is the value of n, because in a triangle there are 3 sides. 3 minus 2 is 1. 1 multiplied by 180 is 180 divided by 3. So it means that each angle of triangle and triangle is ABX is of 60 degree. So AXB is an angle of a triangle, so it is equal to 60 degree. Now the fourth part. In the fourth part we have to find ABC. ABC is the interior angle of a pentagon. So ABC is interior angle of pentagon. So each angle of pentagon is equals to 5 minus 2 multiplied by 180 divided by 5. So it will be equal to 3 multiplied by 180 divided by 5, 108 degree. So each angle of pentagon is equals to 108 degree in the fourth part. Now moving to the fifth part. In the fifth part we have to find ACD. To find ACD, we have to find this angle ACD. To find this angle, I am considering triangle ABC. In the fifth part, we have to find ACD. To find ACD, I am considering triangle ABC. Triangle ABC. In ABC, in this triangle, this side and this side is the side of the pentagon, and these two sides are equal, as the given pentagon is regular pentagon. So the angle opposite to this side and the angle opposite to this sides are equal. It means that this angle and this angle are equal. So if I consider is a degree, so it is also a degree. So in this triangle we can say that a degree plus this angle, and this angle is an interior angle of a pentagon. So interior angle, we have calculated the interior angle of a pentagon is equals to each interior angle of a pentagon is equals to 108 degree. So a degree and 108 degree will make 180 degree. So we can write that 2a plus 108 is equals to 180. So a will be equal to 180 minus 108 divided by 2. So a will be equal to 36 degree. Now this angle will be equal to 36 degree. Now at point C, this complete angle is an interior angle of a pentagon, and this is A, and we have to find this one. So at point C we can write, at point C, A degree plus this is A and this is ACD will make the interior angle of the pentagon, and the interior angle of the pentagon is 108. The value of A is 36. A 36 plus ACD is equals to 108 degree. So it means that ACD will be equal to 108 minus 36 degree. So ACD will be equal to 72 degree. This is the fourth part. This is the fifth part. And now the last part is sixth part. In the sixth part we have to find ASE. ASE, we have to find this angle AS to E. I mean, giving the name is like C degree. So to find this angle, this side and this side is equal to this side and this sides are equal, because these all the sides of pentagon and hexagon are equal. So this side is equal to this side. So the angle, if the angle opposite to this is C degree, so it is also C degree. So it is also C degree. So to find this, I will consider the triangle ASE, this triangle. Considering triangle ASE, in this triangle at point A, the complete angle will be equal to, this complete angle will be equal to 360 degree, and this is the interior angle of the pentagon, and this is the interior angle of the hexagon. So the angle, this is the interior angle of the pentagon, this is the interior angle of the hexagon, and this is the angle of ASE triangle. So it means that I can say that BAE, this angle BAE plus interior angle of the hexagon BAS plus this angle of ASE triangle means that SAE will make 360 degree. So BAE is the interior angle of the pentagon, and the interior angle of the pentagon is interior angle 108 degree. This is the interior angle of the hexagon, and interior angle of the hexagon is equals to 108 and 120 degree. And we have to find this angle SAE is equals to 360 degree. So it means that SAE will be equal to 360 minus 108 minus 120, 132 degree. SAE will be equal to 132 degree. Now this is 132 degree. So it means that C degree 132 degree and C degree will make 180 degree. in triangle ASE, C degree 132 degree and C degree will make 180 degree. So 2C will be equal to 180 minus 132, 48 degree, and C will be equal to 24 degree. C is ASE, so ASE is C degree and it is equals to 24 degree. This is the last part of this question. So we have done the question number 13 with 6 parts. If you have any question, you can do a comment on it. I will reply. Inshallah, in the next video we will start the next question. Assalamu alaikum.